What's going on, Pro Cutters? Got a motorcycle related unboxing for you today here on the couch with Donovan. We're going to get these open and then we're going to go out and ride the Hawk. So we got a pretty sizable box here, and I don't feel like digging my knife out of my pocket, so we're just going to go into this. Without a knife, pulling the plastic off. A box in a box. In a bag in a box. Now some of y'all might know what it is already. Donovan is splitting on me here. Let's see what we got going on here. We'll save the reveal for you guys. Bam! Got a new dual sport helmet so we can go out hawking. Now it's just a cheap Amazon helmet, but at this point in the game I'm not super concerned because the Hawk is stock and I just plan on doing some light trail riding right now. So this one will be fine for now, and then once I start getting more off-road trails and start riding faster and start doing a few mods to it, and I need something with a little bit more protection than this, I'll go ahead and upgrade. But for now, we've got the Triple H dual sport helmet, so I can be legal and somewhat safe riding the Hawk. And to go with that, I picked up a, I think it's pronounced Tajanier, something like that. Anyway, it's a new helmet mount for the GoPro, and it straps right onto the front face piece, and then you're able to mount your GoPro right on there. So that ought to work pretty good. I'll be testing it out here shortly. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stick around for more Hawk 250 videos and other videos with me, John, at the ProCut. Thank you.